is unboxing. We have some things to unbox, so stay tight and see how it's going to be done, okay? Hello, fam. Welcome. I'm happy you are back. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming back, sincerely. Because without you guys, there is no me. Meanwhile, happy weekend. I'm enjoying myself here, chewing some popcorn while we chat, while we do the business of the day. My returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you. I cannot do without you guys. I love you so much. If you're coming in and new, thank you for stopping by. Subscribe to this channel. Meanwhile, my name is Joy. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in France. I represent this humble channel. This channel you're watching, I represent it. Okay? I have other people who are coming, who do come with me. Go see our videos, okay? You will see them. I'm not alone, but I stand representing the channel. I love you guys for coming back. May God bless you. May God bless you. Subscribe if you are new, okay? And don't forget to put on the notification bell so you always get our notification, okay? You always know when we upload new videos. So today, the returning subscribers, you guys are you guys are something else. For the share, for the super chatting, for everything, the views you give to me. May God Almighty bless you. That is it. He's the one that blesses and it is perfect, okay? I don't have anything to give to you guys, but I know he who blesses and none changes the blessing will surely bless you, okay? So in today's video, what I have for you, like the title says, is unboxing. We have some things to unbox, so stay tight and see how it's going to be done, okay? I love you. So let's dive in. Into the real thing. First of all, this is what I've got to unbox. It's tafal. You can see it is a blender. See, I haven't opened it at all. I said I have to do it with you guys. So let's go. I must not be dark. This video must not be dark. So, let's see how it looks. I'm happy I got this, guys. And if I should tell you the price, it will amaze you. I just want you to guess. Let me see if you are current enough, if you know what's on board. Because the way I got this thing, let me know if you know about it. I will not tell you how I got it. I'll not tell you. It came in a way. Up. I won't tell you. Just tell me if you know about it. Or just tell me the price you think I got it for. Ooh, that blender. Oh my god. Tear rubber. I'm tearing the rubber. Look at it, guys. It's a brand new blender. I'm happy to have this. So happy. Look at it, guys. I don't want to take so much of your time, so let's see this. But something surprises me here. This one does not have this seal. This seal doesn't have it. I don't know why. But let's see. I hope it's not bad. I didn't notice it while buying. Guys, look at it. It's a coffee tea. A coffee machine, sorry. Coffee machine. I hope it's intact. Oh my gosh, so happy. So happy. Oh. I'm not the coffee type anyway. But maybe because of this one I got. And with the price coffee, I don't know, guys. In fact, I have to move this side. You can see it. Ooh, it's upside down, sorry. Ooh, look at it, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. I'm so happy I got it. And here comes, I've actually opened this one. I've unboxed it before, but I decided to show to you guys. It's a selfie stick. I love this selfie stick. I've been longing to have one. And now it comes. Look at it. Look at it. I ordered for it actually. I didn't buy it directly. I bought it from AliExpress. Look at the pack. Look at it, guys. It's long. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. And it has what is it called? It has Bluetooth. So let's keep it aside. So how many have I unboxed? I've unboxed 3. The last but not the least. Oh, can I lift it? Guys, look at it. You know summer is approaching fast. Summer is fast approaching, so we decided to get this to add to the ones we have. If you're in Europe, you know how, or in France, you know how it is when it's hot, when it's summertime. So we decided to get this fan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'll just open to show it to you. But I'm not going to fix it myself. Because it will make this video too long, okay? I can't fix it here with you. I'm just unboxing to show it to you guys. Oh yes, tear rubber, new chassis. Woo. Let me bring it down. Yeah. Guys, look at it. Ooh. This is the manual. Look at it. Okay. And I think this is the stand. It stands for this. This is on the top. While this one should be fixed here. See, look at it. It should be fixed somewhere here. While this one comes on top. Oh, guys, how do you see my oh my goodness, I'm so happy. So that is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, if you did enjoy it, don't hesitate to let me know. Okay, I love you so much. I love you so much. And I promise, by God's grace, there are a lot of things that take my time. But by God's grace, I promise I'll always try my best to bring something to show to you, okay? Thank you so much. I hope nothing is left out. So thank you so much for having come. Stay blessed. Take good care of yourself, okay? Come your way again. Don't forget that joy loves you. Joy, our channel TV loves you. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye.